slash lunch. We don't know where to go, so it's either TGIF or Golden Crow. So, well, we decide. I had some footage that I didn't really record too much yesterday, so I'm going to add it right here, and then we will let you know what we decided. So check this footage out of some water, and we'll be back. Look at this flood water. Dang, it's way high. You would normally be able to walk clear out here. The walkway down here is gone. Wow. How? I'm gonna go over here. Yeah, don't get too close. Oh my God, that's crazy. Right here by electric pole. Oh my gosh, look at this. Whoa. Hey. Whoa, look at that. Alright, let's go, guys. We're here at the Snake River. Yeah, the restrooms are locked, so we had to come down here. But look, check this out. All here. Careful. Well, there used to be a walkway under there. And when we were little, we used to walk it before they put these cements. We used to walk it over there and then jump right in the middle over there into the water and swim back this way. So they added this. See if this thing don't take me away. This water is going really fast. This water is really like moving this. Be careful. Look at that. Dang, look at that bridge is almost they're almost covered over there. It's a long ways across. It's got all kinds of junk in there.
Piece of wood.
Okay, let's make our way back. Okay, come on. You made it. We made it.
Oh.
Okay, come on, dude. That is
See how
frozen.
fast it took my hand up?
Look, they put firewood out here for people to make a fire right here. Ain't that cool? It's pretty neat. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, look at that one, look at that one, look at it. Shh, be quiet. Look. He's trying to build a dam. We're gonna try to get there slowly. Oh, look at his teeth. He's got big teeth, look. Look, guys, that beaver right there. Can you go slowly that way and go tell your mom? Hurry. Tell him the beaver's building a dam. Alright, slowly. Look at him. Man, that's huge. Look at that one, Carlos.
I know, that's the one I told you.
No, you didn't. Let's see.
No, Mom.
Yeah, those guts came out. Why? Don't kick it into me. That's what we decided to pick. Take a guess. We picked Golden Corral. That's what we picked. Oh, let's get this. Watch out. What are you looking at, fool?
Carlo.
So Golden Corral it is. Huh?
You should tell them to comment in your photo if you want to see something.
Alright guys, so this is what I got. Look at this. Fish. This right here is so delicious. I got the best of all worlds ribs, good old steaks and shrimp. So yummy. And this lady keeps staring at us right there. We're leaving Golden Corral stuffed like a mother. And now we're going to go to my least favorite spot in the world, where we'll be here for about 6 hours and 25 minutes. And that is where?
Burlington.
Oh god, that place is... there's nothing there.
Yes, there's everything there.
Dude, I'm so blown up like a balloon.
Me too. I am a balloon. I already am a balloon. What are you talking about?
Potholes.
Carlos, what are you, a camel?
You shut up. You make me big fat camel. You're a big fat camel.
Okay, so anyways. I think ugly or overdone? I think it's ugly. Ugly. What's the point?
Those are huge, bro.
What's the point? What's the point? I don't like it. I didn't like it. Overdone for me. Alright, there it is. Where we go every freaking time.
And there's the
Carlos,
same
settle down,
stuff.
dude. Same shit, over and over. Same rack, same clothes, same looks. When we come to Burlington here, we always get these little things here, these little clothes thingies, and we see who can catch it the most to see a win. So let's see if he can do it. Here it goes, ready? This little thing. For one-handed catch. Hey, can you guys even see this? Watch. Winner! Try to throw right here for the camera. Oh, you seen it? You seen it? Oh, for the win! One-handed.